Sana to my channel. Today we are doing this cute hairstyle. Oh, I'm sorry, if you're new here, my name is Jambin Joroge. Today we are doing this cute hairstyle. Yeah, I thought it was really cute. I just wanted to share it with y'all. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get to it.
Real hot girl shit. Real hot girl shit.
Okay, so we are starting off with stretched hair. You already know I stretch using the threading method. Link to that video is down below. So I usually start with my wax, so I'm going to apply it over that line so that I can get like a clear line all the way to the back. So yeah, I usually use a combination of the waxing gel and normal styling gel just to make sure that everything just comes together beautifully. And now I'm going to start working on this side. So I'm just going in with a little bit of water just to make the hair damp, and that are those are the products that we're going to be using. That is a Nice and Lovely styling gel and the wax that I had earlier on, and I'm just going to apply both to my hair, and then I'm going to be grabbing a brush and I'm just going to brush that out just to kind of make sure that everything is slicked out. So I usually start with this kind of like a soft brush, and then I go in with a hard brush just to make sure that it slicks down completely. You can use whatever brush you have. I just like to use the combination of those two. So I'm just going to go ahead and just hold that hair to the side just like that, and we're going to repeat the same process on the other side. And I'm just going to hold it again with a rubber band on that side, and this is me using my hard brush just to kind of reinforce, and any hair that's out of place, I'm just using that brush to kind of put it in place. Now all I'm doing is just slicking my edges, or rather trying to slick my edges. You already know how I struggle with this. So I'm going to use a scarf and I'm just going to let that sit. So I'm using 2 scarves today because I just wanted it to be like extra slicked out. Next, I'm grabbing my Abuja braids, and this is the number 30, and I'm just going to go ahead and this is going to be hard to explain, so please just watch what I'm doing. That I do not know how to explain it, but basically I'm just placing my hair on where we are going to be attaching it, and then using a rubber band to hold it in place, and then I'm going to turn the hair towards this side, and then I'm going to let it fall and just kind of conceal where we attach the hair. So I did see this on TikTok. I saw somebody using this method and I was like, let me try it, and I tried it and actually love it. Now the shorter end, I'm going to use that to kind of conceal where we attach the hair. And that is pretty much it. That is what we ended up with, and this is me just combing out just to make sure that everything stays in place. And I'm also going in with a little bit of oil just to make the hair a little bit easier to braid. Of course, I'm going to be repeating the process on the other side of my head. So yeah, basically that's what I did. Now we're going to go ahead and just start braiding that section. So I'm just going to go ahead and braid it. Don't be worried if it doesn't look perfect, because we are not leaving the hair out. So yeah, once I was done, I'm going to go ahead and start turning the hair like that. I think this motion is turning. I do not know what to call it. But yeah, that is what we are going to be doing. Of course, I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side. And then I just went in with a little bit of accessories. I'm using this little braid accessories. I'm sure you know them, you've seen them. Yeah, that's what we are using today. And then I felt a little bit extra, so I was like, you know what, I actually have this kind of accessory for, it's like a thread and it's shiny. I thought, why not add it? Because why not be extra? I mean, it's me, I'm a Leo, I love to be extra. So yeah, this is the final look. I think it turned out absolutely cute. It's one of my favorite hairstyles ever, and I feel like it just reminds me of being a kid, and I don't know, I love it. It's so cute. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. So that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.